Right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be getting these Pelargoniums ready in the greenhouse and all prepared. So first of all, as you can see, a lot of dead leaves. You want to stop these getting infected, so I've given them a spray with an antifungicide, and what we're going to do now is show you how I prepare them, how I cut them back, prune them and get them ready for storage over the winter in the greenhouse. So first of all, let's get the camera ready. Sorry about this, folks. I'll straight over it. Can you see that alright? You can see that fine. First of all, you want to pull off any dead and damaged leaves, like so. I'll put my gloves on for this. Give me a minute. And once you've pulled off everything, I'll just take you through it, like so. Because anything like this will cause rot, and you don't want these to get infected. Yeah, as you can see in there is the main thing. You don't want any leaves. And also on top of the soil, with any dead leaves, when you water it, they will start rotting. That's the last thing you want. But anything damaged, like so. Any old flower stems should just pull off easily. They detach quite easily. Good thing about Pelargoniums, Geraniums. Get the top here, like so. Now I'll clean up afterwards. Like so, nearly there now. And like that. And then want to get the knife in there, then you can find it. I don't know what I've done with it. It would be made if it wasn't screwed on. So just pause it a minute. Right, as you can see, I've got most of the dead leaves off and the damage. All I'm going to do now is prune it back. This is so the plant gets nice shape for next year. So, like with a nice sharp knife, you want to cut it just below, just above a node. So, like that. As you can see, I can use that as a cutting. So these will be put on one side. Just carry on like that, go around. See this? See that? It's no good. That'll be chucked away. That. Carry on like so, right round, just above the node. It might look like pretty drastic, but your plant will feel the benefit. And that will send out a shoot from there. And look at this new growth here, just above there. It cuts through a lot quicker, but I shall use all these offcuts for cuttings. See, I've had this is probably the second year I've had this plant, so like I said, it may look drastic, but it's well worth doing. Nearly there now. This one, just about there. Yeah. You don't want to overwater them or overfeed them during the winter. Just want to keep them alive. And this will form a lovely plant next year. This. And then once you put it all back, you can go around again. Just double check for any dead or dying leaves, like so. Like that one there. Is that damaged? You get anything like all this is built up during the summer off the top. go. I should give this a spray a bit later on. So that's Pelargoniums. How to prune them and get them ready for storing in the greenhouse for overwinter. Like I said, I will give that a little bit of water, but I won't get any feed, and that should fatten up nicely. And as it grows, you can pull any leaves off that you don't want and carry on getting the nice shape. So that's Pelargoniums, preparing them for storage over winter. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.